Hello friends, in my last video we have explained how to read JSON file, the basic JSON file using Spark. In this video we are going to read this JSON data. You can see the center, MKD mixture, center ID, trainer ID and address. Okay, so this is the data and we are going to read this data. We are going to flatten this data using Spark. So you can see I have IntelliJ, and in this IntelliJ I have this configuration package spec, and I have imported this configuration and this object obj, and this is the configuration, common configuration I have mentioned. And here if we need to read this data, let me save this data as a data, and this data we are going to save here. Okay, and then we need to read this data. Let me check this data type is a string. It's a string. Okay, so we need to convert this data to data frame. So what we need to do, df, and we are going to use spark dot read dot JSON. Okay, and in this JSON what we are going to use sc dot parallelize, and then in sc.parallelize we are going to use list, and under list we are going to type this data. Okay, so let me print this df. Let me show df dot show, and let me print again the print schema also. So let me check what is the output. So we can see here we can see this data format is like this: Delhi, Mumbai, and MKD mixture, and here Delhi and Mumbai, address is Delhi, Mumbai, and center ID, center, trainer ID. Okay, but here you can see the address pin schema is struck, and here we have two data, string, and other is a long string, but we need to separate this one also. Okay, so how to do that? We need to flatten this also. So this is a struct type. So to flatten this struct type, we'll use dot. Okay, so here let me print final flatten data. Okay, so let me use the select command, final df. We are going to select using this is our df dot select. We are going to select this and using expression. Okay, what we are going to select, we are going to select center. First we are going to select address. Okay, this address we need to select first, but in address there is permanent address, you can see. So if we put the address, let me copy the address here. If we need to get the address, then this is a struct type. You can see address, there's two address, permanent address and temporary address. Okay, so in to get that permanent address we have to put dot. Okay, address dot permanent address, and again if we need to get other next address, then we have to print we have to put this address here, and here one comma will be there, and then address dot temporary address we have to mention. Okay, so next will be the center ID. So simply we can use the center ID and then this center we need to use this one also, direct. Okay, and trainer, and then next is trainer ID. Okay, so you can see to get address we use address dot permanent address and address dot temporary, and to get the center ID we are directly using this center ID and trainer ID. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me print the final df. Okay, final df dot show and final df dot print schema. Okay, so let me check. You can see we have successfully flattened this one. First you can see the first data was address, and in address there is to Mumbai and Delhi. Okay, but here you can see permanent address, temporary address, it is flattened, this address line is flattened. Okay, and then you can see center ID, center trainer and trainer ID. Okay, so this is how you can flatten the struct type data. If data is string, then you can directly use this this way, and if there is struct type and you need to use dot. Okay, so other video I'll going to explain how to use array type, since here is no any array. So in the next video I'm going to explain how you will flatten array type JSON data. Okay, thank you.